Aman Rana. I am working in the domain of cybersecurity. Currently, I am working from Mumbai. I would like to extend my thanks and appreciation to Maestro, to Odyssey family, to get me where I am, to achieve my goal, and to bring me to the spot where I was not even, I had not even thought about, but they have helped me to gain the confidence and to tackle the obstacles and rise above all. Thank you.
Can you please tell us how was your journey, that how you proceeded? You know that when it looks, it's not that easy task how it is looking right now. So how was your journey? Like Mr. always says, know thyself, explore thyself. So how was the transition in that case?
Thank you, Nilesh. So as we know, Odyssey he says in Odyssey workshop, as Master always says, Rome was not built in a day. And so to build what I wanted to achieve, I was not even having that vision, but Master had that vision with me.
Right.
Master had a vision for me. So he helped me to see the bigger picture. And while taking baby steps, as he said, that charity begins at home. So he made me realize and understood that knowledge is very important. So, like as he always have explained and taught us that information, knowledge, and wisdom. So that journey towards the wisdom. So that was very mesmerizing and very important for me. That I learned that, and it was Maestro's faith in me that I was able to do it.
Thank you. That was very nice put up by you. I would like to know more. Master says that success is very easy to achieve,
Yes.
but very difficult to maintain.
Yes, sir.
So now, when you are already a domain expert, like Master says, there is a difference between an engineer and the engineer. So now you are the professional in particular domain. So how you feel? What are the strengths you feel you have got in this time?
That's a very important question. It will take a bit longer time to describe. So the first and foremost thing that we need to understand what we want and what are our strengths, and at the same time we need to understand the industry's demand. So as you already also repeated, that Maestro says, know thyself, explore thyself. So knowing what is your interest and then knowing what industry's demand is, so that Maestro has explained that there should be equal point of interest. So first you need to have enthusiasm, extreme level of enthusiasm, patience to go through the stuff, learning and coming over the difficult part, then facing the outside world challenges and keeping yourself updated. So that is the trick actually, and if you know those things, at least have some inclination towards those things, then you can do it. And of course with the blessings of Maestro and the formula love and faith, everything is possible.
Thank you. Any 2 or 3 lessons which you want that I have felt so, I have experienced so, and I want others to learn that is a very magical thing to know or explore or to feel.
Yes, sir.
It's just sorry to pause, but like Mr. says, the best things in the world can only be experienced, not explained. So we can just put on the guideline for that.
You already said that the best thing in the world cannot be explained, can be experienced only. So you cannot explain a blind man the color. So in a way it's like that only, to implant the idea that yes, you can do it, bringing that confidence in an individual and making it successful. So that is the toughest part, I believe, and that is the toughest job that Maestro the first step that we do in the workshop. I believe that is my personal observation, that in Inception, as they said, I'm going a little bit movie part, we always enjoy movies.
Right.
So in the movie Inception, they said that the person needs to believe that the idea is his, and they need to build on that. So, but here it is not nothing fake and nothing like showism is not there. So once we go in same direction with same vision, then it gets more beautiful. And that faith, when that faith gets rewarded in its own way, it's not like that it's some materialistic thing.
Right.
Means you have faith in me and I am there to catch you. So that feeling, that comes automatically. So, and that has happened with me a lot. I believe,
Same with
yeah, it must have also happened with you. So, and it's not like because he have caught me and then also, it's not like a depth, but it's like, the purest form of love. The way the mom loves. She will hit you also, but at the same time she will love you also. She wants the best for you. So, apart from that, in Odisha I found that that someone is there apart from family. That it is also your family, and they will
Who
be
makes
always there.
us
Yeah.
his family.
Yeah, who makes us his family, be made his part of his family, and it's from I to we, that journey that you believe that it is possible, and we cannot explain it to the people that this is the best part unless and until they go through it. So I believe, and that is the innocence, I guess.
So somewhere we feel comfortable that
Yeah.
someone is there, Maestro is there who understands us more than us,
Yes, exactly.
and
That
then
is-
puts us that way.
Exactly. So that question always Maestro asks, who
Why?
am I and why?
Why?
So that he knows who are you and why. So help us to explore ourselves, and selflessly that happens. It's not like that there is some money, materialistic things, nothing like that. It's like the purest form of love, as I said, and the Gurukul pattern we use, but it's actually Gurukul. So
In both the sense.
yeah, I mean,
The
yeah.
ancient Gurukul also
Yeah,
and today's
exactly.
Gurukul also.
That balanced is matched perfectly. I'm not able to judge, but I'm just saying the way I'm feeling. It's not like I know all the things and I'm saying, I'm commenting, and this is the way it should be. This is the best way. This is above me, this is beyond me. But this is what I felt, that everyone at least should have a glimpse of this. If not the whole thing, at least a glimpse of it, and the power to have faith that is not there outside, the childlike innocence, and just going out and doing it. So Maestro is always there to support, and besides us, so that helps, that confidence helps.
When he says that love and faith are the two pillars,
Yes.
it means I'm sharing my part. Like
Please,
sometimes
please.
I feel that why he did not add the third dimension like time or something other like that.
Yes.
But it's not bound to anything. That's why it's infinity.
Yes.
So I just want to add that we are being taught and we are being trained that don't merely appreciate, adopt.
Yes.
So some things we ourselves by birth love within us, how we are cultivated or brought up, that these habits I love within myself, or this I want to transcend in that way. So what were that few things you felt that you have worked on, that those were your weak muscles, and now it is you are taking it very passionately, or else those jewels were already with you, those were your strong points, and still because of these habits you have maintained it.
So,
Some thoughts on that?
yes. All your questions are very, very deep, and I'll try my best to give my honest answer. But as you said, and also that there are so many things to learn. We have learned so many things from Maestro. It is not only one sentence we can explain it. There are many moments, there were many experiences that brought me here, and the thing is the same. You have to have faith in yourself. We got our parents, that we are lucky for that, but to get the mentor like godfather like Maestro, we are even luckier. So when that thing happens, when we reach to Maestro, I believe we are already corrupted by the society's norms.
Right.
Okay, and to have that courage to follow that path of Gurukul, or have some confidence, or blindly Means, of course, faith is always should be blind, as Master said. So have that thing in mind and moving forward with that thought process. It takes courage, and we are focusing on that initial part, but the main crux is the process.
Right.
So that process and that's the feeling. So we cannot explain that. It's not like we want to explain, but it's like when you sip the water, take a sip of water after a long time of thirst. So you know that feeling when you get that one drop of water below your throat. You can only experience it. You cannot explain it to anyone. So it's kind of like that. It's more than that. It's kind of like that. So I'm sorry, I'm not able to justify it. But there are many moments, like as you said, what are the things that are adopted? Master said, teach by life, not by words. So the way he follow his own rules, means the way he has set the example. So that gives us a very, very good example, apart from our parents, that this is the life, this is the way is there.
Like personal things
Yeah,
professionally and
yeah,
professional things personally.
Exactly.
Even I admire that very much.
Exactly, and then enjoying it.
That
If you can't avoid it, enjoy it. The way of looking of life and things, So recently I heard that Master said, enjoying the nectar of life, so, sucking the nectar out of it. Anything bad happens, you have to look at the positive part, because we are there to crumble. Standing there even after everything happened, that is something. It takes something. So it takes more than just flesh.
as a part of cherry on the cake, your last gesture on today's talk.
So I'm extremely sorry, but I cannot explain it. You have to experience it. So only thing I can say, that events we have come in contact. When you come in contact with Maestro, just follow your instincts, follow what your heart says, because that is in line with Maestro's vision, Maestro's plan. So I believe, even if you are corrupted in some way, even if you are not in the same dimension, so having faith that something good is there in this world, that is more important, and following that in forward. So that is, yes.
Thank you very much, Kaman sir. That was very nice and pleasing to talk to you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Have a pleasant day.
Thank you,
Vande
sir.
Mataram.
Vande Mataram.